Hey, how's it going, guys? Mike with Corona Junk. We are here gonna demo out this jacuzzi here. As you can see, there's only like 2 feet 6 inches of clearance right there, and this is over 3 feet tall. So we're gonna demo this up, cut it up, and get rid of it for the customer. All right, catch you later. What's up, guys? Mike with Corona Junk, and just like that, we are all set. We were able to take down and demo that jacuzzi. Unfortunately, the size of the side of the house there with the AC unit was not wide enough to do our normal method and just wheel it on out of there. That normally takes about 15 minutes. So we spoke with the customer, renegotiated the bid, and went ahead and demoed this jacuzzi. If you have a jacuzzi that needs to be demoed or removed, give us a call, 951-363-5120, or you can look us up online and book online at www.coronajunkpm.com. Have a good one.